We'll guide you through how to use Zapier automation examples effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Zapier website and log into your account. Once you're in, you can explore the Zapier dashboard, where you'll find a variety of pre-made zaps, which are essentially automation templates. These templates are great for getting started quickly. To find a zap that suits your needs, use the search bar at the top to enter keywords related to the apps or tasks you want to automate. For example, if you want to automate tasks between Gmail and Trello, type those app names in the search bar. Zapier will then show you relevant automation templates. Click on a template to see more details about what it does. If it looks good to you, click the Try It button. This will guide you through connecting your accounts. Follow the prompts to authorize Zapier to access your apps. You'll need to grant permissions, so Zapier can perform actions on your behalf. Once your accounts are connected, you can customize the zap to fit your specific needs. For instance, you can specify what triggers the automation, like receiving a new email, and define what action it should take, like creating a new Trello card. After customizing, make sure to turn on the zap by toggling the switch at the top right corner. This will activate the automation, and Zapier will take care of the rest. As a tip, regularly review your zaps and make adjustments as needed to ensure they continue working smoothly as your needs change. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.